Welcome sa part 4 ng set 3 ng ating review. We are now doing number 16. So question 16, which of the following represents the equation of the line that passes through the point 2, 3 with slope negative 1/3? So dito, binigyan tayo ng point. Meron tayong point 2, 3. And yung slope natin, m, is negative 1/3. Pag ganito, binigyan ka ng point at saka slope, ang gamitin mo is yung point slope form. Meron kang y minus y sub 1 equals m, the slope, x minus x sub 1. So, all you have to do is plug in the values. Meron kang y minus 3 equals, yung slope mo is negative 1/3. Tapos x minus 2. And then simplify lang natin, meron kang y minus 3 equals, distribute to negative 1/3, negative 1/3 x plus 2/3. And then, lipat yung negative 3 sa kabila. Gawin natin itong fraction para ma-add natin. Yung 3 natin, guys, is equal to 9/3 lang yan. The same thing. So, meron kang y equals negative 1/3 x plus 2/3 plus 9/3. This gives you y equals negative 1/3 x plus 11/3. Letter C is the answer. 17. A group of 6 students are going to have a vote to determine who should be president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer, with only one person per job. How many different groups can be formed from the 6 students? So this question, it talks about the counting principle. So there are 6 students and then ilang positions lang kailangan. Meron tayong president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer. So sa president, ilang tao yung pwede? 6. Sa vice president, 5. Sa secretary, 4 na lang. And then sa treasurer, 3 na lang. So ang gagawin mo dito, you just multiply everything, no? So ito, this gives you 20. Tapos ito, 18. So 20 times 18, 360. So there are 360 different groups, no? Yung pwede natin gawin out of the 6 students. Let's do number 18. Ang sa 18, asa na yan? If the number 89.8756 is rounded to the nearest hundredth, what will be the sum of the tens and the hundreds place? So remember your place value. Ito, after the decimal, this is the tenth place, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. So if you're going to round up this number, no, to the nearest hundredth, it should become 89.7 yun. Next is 5. So up tayo. This will become 88. And then what will be the sum of the tens and the hundreds place with the resulting number? This is our resulting number. Ito yung tens. Ito yung hundreds place. So ano yung sum nilang dalawa? 16. So C is the answer for number 18. 19. 19. The sum of 4 consecutive even integers is 36. What is the largest integer? The third largest integer in the set. So pag sinabing consecutive, magkasunod-sunod. Even, again, divisible by 2. So, lagay natin first number, second, third, and then apat sila, no? Fourth number. So if our first number is x, ang second number will become what? Consecutive even integers. So mag-plus ka ng 2. And then yung third will be plus 4. Ito plus 6. Tapos ang sabi, ang sum nilang lahat is 36. So ilang x's ba yan? 1, 2, 3, 4. So meron kang 4x plus, ito, 2, 4, 6, that is 12. Again, this is 36. We just solve for x. This is for x equals 36 minus 12, 24. So divide everything by 4. X is 6. So if this is 6, ano yung third? This is 10. So letter C. Number 20. Find the sum of the series 91 plus 85 plus 79 plus 73 hanggang negative 29. So as you can see, the numbers are decreasing. So again, pag sinabing series na sum of series, this is arithmetic series. Ang sum natin is given by Sn is equal to n over 2 and then a sub 1 plus a sub n. Now dito, alam natin yung ating a sub 1. Ito yung ating a sub 1. Alright? Alam natin yung ating a sub n. Ito yung ating a sub n, yung last term. But we don't know our n. So paano hanapin yung n? Ang gawin natin, let's use the formula. Yung a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. Para mahanap yung n. Alam natin that a sub n is negative 29. Tapos yung a mo is 91. Plus yung d mo is what? Yung common difference. Common difference is negative 6, di ba? 91 minus 6 is 85. So negative 6. So meron kang, distribute lang natin, meron kang dn minus d. Di ba? So again, yung d natin guys is negative 6. So this will become negative 29 equals 91 minus 6n tapos eto plus 6. So combine like terms lang tayo. Combine like terms, anong mangyayari? Eto, 91 plus 6, 97. So meron kang, saan ba? Negative 29 equals 97, no? 97 minus 6n. So lipat lang natin yung ating mga numbers. So meron akong 6n. Negative 29 minus 97. Ilan ba yan? Negative 29 minus 97. So I have negative 29 minus 97. That gives me negative 126. This is negative 126 equals negative 6n. So divide natin by negative 6. So yung n natin will be 21. Alright. So yung n natin is 21. Lipat lang natin dito, no? Lipat lang natin dito. So meron kang Sn equals 21 over 2. Ilan yung 91 plus negative 29? 91 minus 29. Magkano yan? That is just 62. That is 62. And then, i-divide natin by 2. Divide 2 natin. That is 31. So, meron tayong Sn equals 31 times 21. And then, that gives us 651. Yeah, the 651, letter C. So, the answer for number 20 is letter C. The sum of the series is 651. Follow for more.